Welcome again to my video about the primitive lifestyle. Primitive living is about living simply, sustainably, and connected to nature. It can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. In this video, I'll share with you some of the benefits of primitive living. If you like the wildlife we show about daily life in my video, we'd be willing to teach you wilderness skills. This is a great way to learn from watching my video. That experience can help you avoid making mistakes. After having fruits, he looked up to the tree, and he wants to get to the top of the tree, so he needs to make the stair to there. So please continue watching how he do it. Now he can get what he wants. He can go to the top of the tree. And the next job is he need to find some food. Let's see what food he will get today. Can get snakehead fish. Do you know the snakehead fish? Have you ever tried before? What is snakehead fish? Snakehead fish are a group of freshwater fish that are native to Africa and Asia. They are known for their elongated bodies, flat heads, and sharp teeth. Snakeheads are also able to breathe air, which allows them to survive for short periods of time out of water. This makes them well adapted to living in areas with poor water quality or that are prone to flooding. Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. See you again for the next video. Thank you.